Many car models have 4 coil springs. The function of the coil springs is to keep the vehicle at the desired height, maintain proper alignment angles, and absorb bumps and turns encountered along the way through the tires and shock absorbers. Coil springs wear out over time due to reasons such as climate and temperature changes, road conditions, and metal fatigue. Continuous flexing gradually weakens the suspension system. As a result, springs lose height. The loss of height causes the ride height of the vehicle to decrease. When this sag becomes evident, the entire car is affected by this sag. First, the shock absorbers, with which the spring works, and which is more expensive than the spring, are damaged. Then, respectively, steering connection components, tires, and mechanical parts begin to be damaged. As a result of this whole process, high maintenance and repair costs arise in your vehicle. Replacing the coil springs will bring your vehicle back to its standard height at first use, will significantly improve the ride quality, traction, and safety of the vehicle. Standard Springs has been producing with cold winding technology since 1979. Springs produced with cold winding technology have a longer life than springs produced with other production technologies. Our company, which produces with its experienced staff, does not compromise on quality while providing reasonable prices.
Our company guarantees product and system quality with ISO 9001-2018 and IATF 16949 certificates. We are sensitive to quality, not only in the production of the products, but also in their measurement and control. In our laboratory within our company, we meticulously control and monitor performance properties, such as the physical dimensions of the spring, force, perpendicularity, parallelism, and life test. Likewise, in order to provide input control in our laboratory, by taking the relevant standards and norms as a reference, we maintain the quality understanding permanently by ensuring that the material acceptance criteria are met with the control of wire diameter and breaking strength chemical analyses. Why Standard Springs? We offer a wide range of products supported by the product catalog, production with high-quality alloy spring steel, durability and reliability in our products, high product quality and optimum price advantage, product coding and traceability thanks to our barcoding system, ease in the product distribution network with the advantage of geographical location, and our products are guaranteed for 3 years. Why do we recommend double springs when replacing coil springs? In areas where the springs are replaced on the vehicle, the fact that the spring on one side is tired and the spring on the other side is new will significantly affect the driving comfort of the vehicle. Namely, one side of the vehicle will be higher than the other. In addition, there will be difficulties in driving the vehicle. Due to these negative reasons, the equal height of the vehicle in all directions necessitates the replacement of the coil springs in pairs. Using springs that are not produced with the right engineering knowledge and appropriate materials will damage your vehicle. We recommend that you replace your coil springs, which are the critical parts of your automobile, at certain intervals with standard springs, which have proven their quality with exports to 60 countries. Please don't forget to watch our video on how to change the springs.